welcome back to my channel. So real quickly, I just wanted to share with you guys this look. I have to go to Maybeline tonight, again another wedding event, but I thought I'll share with you guys how I achieved this look. It's one of my favorite looks of all time because it's such a classic look. Gold eyes with red lipstick, and I didn't do any eyeliner for this look today, so something different, but let me know what you guys think. Let's get into this video. So starting off, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. I'm taking the NYX Professional Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette and just filling in my brows very slightly. I just want them to be defined, but I don't want my eyebrows to look really bold. And then I'm just blending out the product throughout my brows. For eyes, I'm taking this Morphe Bronzer and I'm using this as an eyeshadow instead. So I'm taking a flat round brush and just blending it starting from the outer V, and I'm blending it inwards to the center of my eyes and then also the crease of my eyelid. Taking the Huda Beauty Melt eyeshadows, I'm taking the shade Bamboo Hoops, which is a shimmery kind of a beige gold color, and applying this onto my eyelids. So I'm gonna start off by applying in the center of my eyelids and then working it towards the inner corner of my eyes. Now, I have mentioned this before in my previous videos as well, that this eyeshadow applies really smoothly but does tend to dry real quick, so you have to be super fast when blending them out. But once they're on, they stay on throughout the day or throughout the night. They do not wear off, and the pigmentation is absolutely gorgeous. It is definitely one of my favorite eyeshadows. So for this look, I'm going to go ahead and skip out on the eyeliner and I'm going straight to the mascara. So the mascara I'm using, as usual, L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and I'm applying this onto the upper lashes for now, and then I'll do the bottom lashes once I'm done doing the rest of my face. Alright, so I've already primed my face. I used the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer, and I'm just taking this NARS foundation. This is the Sheer Glow and in the shade Medium 2.5, and I'm applying it by using It Cosmetics foundation brush and applying this all over my face. I also like to apply it onto my lips, and once you apply foundation on your lips, set it with a translucent setting powder. Your lipstick or your lip gloss tend to apply really smoothly and the colors seem to show really vibrant on your lips. So I love this little trick that I actually learned from Huda Beauty. So now I'm just blending out the foundation and just making sure that the foundation is nicely blended throughout my face. For concealer, I'm taking Tarts Shapetape. This is in the shade Medium, and I'm just applying this on the areas where I typically like to conceal and also highlight. To blend out the concealer, I'm taking my beauty blender. Now, I know some people like their beauty blender wet when they are applying out their product. I really prefer to use it dry. I feel like my skin just looks better if I use a drier beauty blender, and it just gives a matte finish, which you guys know I'm all about. So sometimes I do tend to wet my beauty blender, but majority of the times I tend to use it drier. To contour, I am taking NYX concealer. This is the NYX HD concealer. Whew, I almost applied it underneath my eyes, but this is the shade Tan, and I've used this in my previous videos as well. I love using this to contour. It's such a creamy concealer and it blends out so well, and I just love this shade. It's perfect brown shade to contour. It's not too dark, it's not too light. And to blend it out, I'm taking my beauty blender again. I'm taking the rounder side of the beauty blender and just blending out this concealer. As you can see, it blends really easily and effortlessly, and gives the perfect contour shade. All right, to set my face, I'm actually going to go ahead and use the Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to show you guys a new trick on how I've been recently setting my concealer if you haven't seen my previous videos. So I'm going to go ahead and pat the translucent powder in the inner corners really nicely and like a good chunky amount, because you really want the under eye to be set, the concealer to be set in this area. And then the areas that I just want to highlight, I'm just gonna pat it really, really lightly. So here, here, and then obviously where I have contoured as well. And then another area that I like to set are my lips. It just helps your lipstick and your lip gloss apply a lot smoother. So I'm just gonna go ahead and very slightly apply the setting powder on my lips. And then I tend to get the lifelines, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that area as well. While my face is baking, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Huda Beauty mini palette, and I am taking this gold shade right here. It is packed with glitter, and if you are obsessed with glitter as much as I am, this should be your new favorite color. And I'm just taking a flat brush and going over my eyelids where I have applied Huda Melt shadows just to enhance the color more and make my eyes more gold for this look. Then I'm just going to go ahead and wipe off the setting powder from the areas where I have highlighted, so underneath the contour and the nose area, and just leave underneath my eyes and around the mouth for a little bit longer. Then I'm taking Butter London Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, and I am taking this pink shade right here. It is called Queen, and I'm applying this as a blush. It's a very, very pigmented color and is super dark, but it applies really well on as a blush because it is a creamier product. So I'm just taking the slightest amount and applying this as a blush on my cheeks. And just to create a perfect rose color, I'm gonna go ahead and apply Maybelline Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Mauve, and I'm just very slightly blending this on my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm taking Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm taking the shades Mimosa and Hard Candy and doing a combination of both for highlight. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this onto the usual areas where I normally highlight my face. Then I'm taking the dark brown shade from the Huda Beauty palette and just applying this onto the bottom waterline just to complete the entire eye look. And then I'm going to go back with my mascara and apply that onto the bottom lashes. I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips by using NYX Lipliner. This is in the shade Burgundy, and I'm just outlining my lips and also slightly filling them in before I go in with my lipstick and top it off with my lip gloss. Taking my good old M.A.C lipstick, this is in the shade Meher. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my lips. This has been my go-to lip color for so many years now, and I've absolutely been loving it just because it's such a gorgeous color, and it's not too pink, it's not too brown. It's like the perfect in-between shade. To finish my lips, I'm going to take Maybelline Superstay liquid matte lipstick. This is in the shade Pioneer, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply this on top of my lipstick. Then I'm just going to go ahead and set my face by using Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and I'm going to go ahead and change my clothes and put on some jewelry. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys like this video. This is one of my favorite looks of all time. So do comment below, let me know what you guys think. Give me your feedback and your suggestions on what you guys would like to see next. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button so you guys are up to date every time I post a new video. And hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and keep smiling. I love you guys. Bye.